In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate profit and loss percentage in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to calculate your percentages. This can be an existing file you're already working on or a new workbook if you're practicing. For this example, the sample data is already prepared in cells A1 through C4. So make sure your worksheet is set up and ready before entering any formulas. Next, we'll calculate the profit or loss amount first. Click on cell D1 and type profit loss. This will serve as the column heading so your worksheet stays organized and easy to read. After that, click on cell D2. In this cell, enter the formula equals C2 minus B2, then press enter. This formula subtracts the cost from the selling price, which gives you the actual profit or loss amount. Once you press enter, Excel returns 200. In this example, that means the item generated a profit of 200. This first calculation is important because it gives you the raw difference before turning it into a percentage. Now let's calculate the profit or loss percentage. Click on cell E1 and type profit/loss percent. This creates a clear heading for your percentage results. Then click on cell E2 and enter the formula equals open parenthesis C2 minus B2. Close parenthesis divided by B2 and press enter. This formula takes the profit or loss amount and divides it by the original cost, which gives you the percentage change. At this point, Excel may show the result as a decimal rather than a percentage, and that's completely normal. To format the result as a percentage, select cell E2. Then go to the Home tab. In the number group, click the % style button shown with the % symbol. Excel will display the result as 20%. That means the item earned a 20% profit. Formatting matters here because it makes your results much easier to interpret at a glance. Once the formulas are working correctly in the first row, you can apply them to the remaining rows. Select cells D2 through E2 together, then drag the fill handle, which is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection, down to row 4. Excel will automatically copy the formulas and adjust the cell references for each row, saving you time and reducing the chance of manual errors. And that's it. You've successfully calculated both the profit or loss amount and the profit or loss percentage in Excel.